Hey guys, if you didn't hear, the cube has exploded in Loot Lake and Tilted Towers. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, now we're going to land in Loot Lake. Whoa. Can you guys see how it's purple? That's from the cube. Oh, the cube must have melted in the water. Wow. Man. Look at it. It's all purple. Season 5 is ending in 5 more days, man. 5. I'm going to land here. And then after, I'm going to get some loot. Then I'm going to go see what happens when I bounce. Oh, there's a chest. Or if I don't bounce. Alright, guys. I am all done getting loot. And now we're going to see what happens. Oh, you bounce. You bounce. You bounce. You bounce. Man. I didn't know I was going to do this. Alright, I'm going to get... Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whee! Let's go see what Tilted has. If you didn't hear, the new fish building got destroyed by the cube. Alright guys, now we're going to go to Tilted and see how much damage the cube did to the fish building. No, they have to rebuild it. I feel bad for them now. Season 5 is ending in 5 days, I already said. Wow. That got destroyed. Wow. Man. Let's get back into the video. So right now, as you guys seen, Loot Lake and Tilted. Well, Tilted's a little bit destroyed, but Loot Lake, the cube has decreased, and so that's how Loot Lake will be for now on. Hope you guys liked this video, and check out yesterday's video. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye.
That's it, Brian?